This is a quick review of this Witzman. This is a luggage backpack. This is airline approved for carry-on. This was gifted to me. I just got back from a week-long trip and I was able to pack everything into this bag, and it weighed in just under 25 pounds. One of the things I really liked about the bag is the fact that it's got a lot of straps. So I was able to put my sweatshirt on the outside because I pretty much ran out of room. But you do have a lot of straps, a lot of capabilities of tying things down or attaching. You also got elastic straps in the front. It comes with a foot locker, which I use personally since it is aerated. I went ahead and put my laundry clothing in there so that I could rotate out between clean and dirty clothing. This does have vent holes in the bottom, and it is great for soil. This is a recycled nylon bag, so it is using recycled nylon. It helps to keep costs down. On the front, you have a big pouch inside. You also have little pouches within the big pouch, but I was able to put all of my charging gear in here. I've got my headphones are in here. Additionally, there's a lanyard, so if you want to attach keys, which I always appreciate. So lots of room. And then you also have a smaller compartment on the front, so if you want to put paperwork or something like that. The one thing I wish they had done, I wish the top of the bag had a zipper on it for easy access. I've had that on other bags, which I do appreciate. On the side, you've got some straps here so you can suck it down if you need to, loosen it up. You also have a charging port. So this has both USB-A and C on the side. You do need to provide your own battery pack, but there's a pocket inside and built-in cables for that, which is really nice. Really nice elastic pocket on the one side here. This would be good for bottles or whatever else you want to put in there. On the back, you have a nice handle, and because this is a backpack, you can go ahead and use it as a backpack. It has a really nice thick pad, both on the top and the back side, and there is another pocket here with a strap. I actually used this for my tablet. When I was jumping on the plane, instead of having to unzip the bag when I got on the plane, I went ahead and slid the tablet in here so I could pull this out real quickly, and then put this up top. So really nice there. Also, these are detachable. So these have quick release down at the bottom. The straps, you can go ahead and detach them, and there are pockets on the inside with a zipper, so you can fully enclose that. If you decide to do that, you do have a top handle here, or on the side, you have a carrying handle. So you could run this as a tote bag as an example if you wanted to, or it also has a detachable shoulder strap, which is somewhere. Here it is, right here. Nice metal hooks to attach to, so nice and sturdy. A lot of flexibility there. And this is a top-loaded backpack, so you have a zipper across the back here. And this is a double zipper, so you get a nice full open pouch. So you can go ahead and pull all your gear out that I took with me. And inside, you have room for a laptop, for my iPad. I put that in here also for long-term storage, and then a bunch of clothes. This bag is so durable that when I was packing my clothes away, I actually put some of the clothes down in the bottom, and then I stood on it so that I could compact it down as best I could. That way I could get a full week's worth of clothing in here. So on the inside, you have room here. Here's my laptop. You pull that out. This is a padded compartment on the inside. It's fully padded, and then there's another padded compartment that'll fit a iPad or whatever else you want. On the inside, this is that USB-C device, and then of course it has cables for both USB-C and A, so you can attach a battery pack. And then on the inside, there is a pouch where you can actually, and I still have it in here, you can put a battery bank down in there. You could probably put one that's 2 to 3 times larger. This is what I had, so I took it with me. On the inside, you have a couple of different, you got 2 pouches here and a zipper, so you have another fully enclosed pouch that you can put goods in here. And I believe, if I'm not mistaken, that is it. There is also another little pouch on the other side, on the inside. Really no use for that. Overall, This was a very durable bag, very happy with it. I was able to fill this up with 25 pounds of gear. And then walking between gates, it was really nice to be able to load this up as a backpack and wear it that way. The straps themselves are very thick. If you want to add a water bottle or anything like that, you have attachments here for that. Additionally, it does have a chest strap also. So if you're going to be using this as a hiking backpack, or you just like having a chest strap, you can do that also. Overall, I've been very happy with this bag and plan on putting a lot more miles and pounds into it. If you have any questions about the Witzman backpack, tote bag, feel free to leave a comment below.